Everyone, welcome to Shandong China. Today we're sending our 110 kilowatt model number XGG560 to India market. As you can see, this is the complete unit of our power machine. This power machine we can fit with 90 kilowatt or 110 kilowatt electric motor. The electricity is 420 volts, 50 hertz, and free phase, suitable for India market or Malaysia or Indonesia market. As you can see, this machine is an latest technology. It has all this stainless steel, the input part, the palletizing room, the collection part, so it can avoid any rust problem. This machine with an 1.2 to 1.5 pound power capacity, and this complete unit of this machine also will work together with the automatic lubrication pump, with the cyclone type dust collector, and the electric control panels, and all these control panels will be with the soft start system, which can protect your electric transformer. And this machine also right now very popular used in the market. It has a bigger electric motor and a bigger capacity than a 90 kilowatt. And this machine is also a kind of a multifunctional pellet machine. It can be used for making many types of raw materials. For example, like wood sawdust, agriculture waste like petty straw, wheat straw, corn straw, sugar cane bagasse, groundnut shell, and other mustard shell materials. So with this one machine, you can choose a different type of ring die. For example, like 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters, and 10 millimeters. Maximum you can make 16 millimeters pellet with our pellet machine. Okay, that's all for simple introduction about our 110 kilowatt pellet machine. If you have any interest in a longer brand pellet machine, please send your inquiry to our team. We will give you the best service. Okay, thanks for watching the video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.